Hello, Nico Chilitz here, and today it's our last day on 7-day challenge how to twerk. Could you imagine on the last day we will twerk on our head? It's for all levels, even if you never stayed in your head before in your fucking life. We will go step by step. So let's just warm up. Today we will just have our neck warm up, have right and left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to go front and back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will go right and left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I will go front and back. My body straight, my shoulders edges, my neck come in front and back. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will have a circle with my neck, so I will have front, right, back, left, front, right, back, left, and circle with my neck. 8, 7, 6, everything is related, just your neck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go on your left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will have from down, up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now from up to down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start with basic position. Today I record around the wall. To twerk on your head, you don't really need to stay fully on your head. You can just stay with wall, and if you will try and trust me today and be careful, you got it. Find, what is that in English? Like right center on my head to put it on floor. If you feel like that, you can take yoga mat or anything that feels comfy. All I want to show you is how I'm standing on my head. So I'm just putting my head on the floor and I'm trying to find this position so I'm not staying on my forehead or somewhere on my right or left spot. I need to stand right on the center of my head, and after that I just need to put my hands so I can see it with my eyes. So it will be not one line, it will be a triangle because my eyes should to see my fingers. And from here you just trying to take your ass up. It's all you need to do right now. We are not jumping nowhere, nothing happening. You just stay on your head, try to see your hands and put your ass up, nothing else. Again, head on the floor, put your hands, go with your ass up. It's all you need to do. I know for sure that now when you will go on your head, your back will look like that. Like that. And here I will need you to just walk with your legs. So I will try to put my ass on one line with my head, but without arching back. And now we will just walk back and front, back and front. Let's try it. Put your head, put your hands and walk. Walk and walk back. And walk front and walk back. And 8 and 7 and 6 and 5. Try to take your ass on one line with your head. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, mistakes, what can happen and what can be dangerous. It's if you stand in your head, but every time you walk towards it, your neck getting bent. Like your neck should to stand still and don't move at all. If you feel like you don't feel comfy, you don't feel that it's safe and your neck's super weak, pause this class and go watch other 6 classes. If you feel like it's alright, don't feel like dangerous or hurtful, come to the wall. All I will need is the same position. My head will go down, my hands will go on floor, and now I will just try to put my legs on the wall. It sounds scary, but if you was walking already and you was staying on your head and nothing was bending, it means now you can stand. And I know it's like, oh no, I never tried it. If you are super scared and you're at home, put pillows everywhere, so if you fall, it will be around you. I don't know, ask your partner, or if you have anyone at home, to just support your legs and just like be with you. But if you got it, let's just have it one more time without wall. I will tell you what you need to focus on, and after that we will go on wall. Or I will try to stand here. Put my head on floor. I take my ass up and I'm just staying here, and I'm trying to have my ass on one line with my head as much as I can, so it's not, don't shoot to stay somewhere like that position. I don't know, you should to come as much as you can close. And if you come close enough from here, when you staying on your head and your ass is up, I will just take my right leg and my left leg and I will stay here. What else you need to check before you go on the wall? So when you put your head and you can see your hands, make sure that it's 90 degrees on your elbow, so it's not opening, it's not inside, it's like staying still, and you can see a 90 degrees here. And only after that, when you feel comfortable here, you will take your right leg on the wall and left leg on the wall, and you will just stay here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly just put your right and left down. Or if you don't feel comfortable to just go like that, try to go from one or from other direction. So now, okay, we will just have 2 more times just like that. We will go to the wall and we will stay just for 8 seconds. Okay, come in. Put your head on the ground. Put your hands, take your right, take your left, and you can adjust your legs if you need it. And stay here for 8, 7. Make sure that your ass in one line with your head, and you can feel it if it's like so around the wall. Take it higher. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go out. If you will ask me if it's okay that my head hurts, it's okay, I cannot change it. But please, if you feel bad, head go around, you feel dizzy, it's super hard, you feel dangerous, you fallen, please just skip it. It's online educational and I cannot be there with you, but if you want to learn and take private class with me online, and I will guide you, you will feel safe because I will make sure that everything alright. But for now, if you feel you can move on, let's do it. Last time just like that, 8 counts on your wall. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Put your head on the ground. Put your hands. You can see with your eyes your hands. You take right, left on the wall, and you stay in here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Without the wall, I do the same stuff. It's just nothing there to keep my weight of my body. Today we will just shake our head around the wall. So now when you already know how to stay around the wall, I will try to have shake up, down, same how I was doing here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at the position of my knees, it's open, toes looking on diagonals, and I just have shake with my hips. Same will happen when I will be on my head. I will open my knees will be on one line with my ass. I will try to stay like that. You can check it first before you will do that. And only after that I will try to shake it up and down. Just look one time. I'm coming to the wall. I'm putting my head down, my hands in front of me. I'm taking my right, I'm taking my left. And only here, when I feel I am staying comfortable, my ass in one line with my head, on my elbows it's 90 degrees. I have shake up and down, up and down. And I'm not trying to make it with my feet or my knees. I'm trying to make it only with my hips. Up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now you can just try with me. Go on your head, put your hands on the ground, take your feet on the wall, and let's try it. Up, down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got it. Congratulations, now you know how to do shake on your head. I also want to try to have a whine. Same stuff. My head will stay on the floor, my knees will be on the wall, and I will just try to have one right and one left on the same position. I'm putting my head on the ground. I'm putting my hands on the floor. I'm taking my feet on the wall, and I'm trying to have one line from my ass to my head. And from here I'm coming whine. So on right, back, left, front. Right, back, left, front. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. And you know, I'm cutting this video so I can have a little rest. You can just pause this video and take a little rest before we move on. I know it's intense and it's fast, so take a few minutes to inhale, exhale, just walk around, stretch your body, do what you need to do. Last thing what I want to show is how to do jiggle on the wall. So same position, my head will be on the floor, my knees will be on the wall. I will just try to put weight of my body from right to left, but it will be on the wall. Here when I'm on my feet, weight of my body on the floor. When I will go on the wall, weight of my body will be on the wall, but I will have the same jiggle. Look at that. Head on the floor, hands on the floor, legs on the wall. Put it wider, and just I have right to left. And I'm just running, 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 running. If you feel, you also can just try to take your feet from the wall. If you want, you can straight your legs and just try jiggle here. If you will fall, it's always wall here. So don't try to fall on your back. Always, if you feel not confident, fall in the front so wall will stop you. Do what you want to do. If you want shake, make shake. If you want jiggle, make jiggle. If you want to whine, make whine. If you want to try your legs from the wall, try it. And you have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got it. If you've been with me for a whole 7 days and you just did what I show and you watch this video till the end, you are the winner. You can just practice it. Now when you know the basic, just do it. If you feel still not comfortable, take private class with me. If you want to learn how to shake, twerk from within, I'm launching my online course soon. If you would love to more challenges, more exercises, breakdown of choreography, let me know in the comments and I will do it for you. It was our last class on the challenge. Hugs and kisses. I wish you a good twerk in this year. See you soon.